bolognese macaronis. Pasta. I've cut up some onion, some green capsicum, pepper, salt and oil, and just fry this until it's nice and soft. And then I'm going to be putting the meat, that meat inside, plus one of those, half of that bottle, and then I should be able to make two serves, hopefully. Alright, I had to transfer the meat over to my frying pan because it was too much. It was going to be overflowing, so I'm going to make it in the frying pan and then I'll do what I have to do later. Look how much, oh man, I don't have food here coming out of my ears. I thought I'd have enough for 2 days. I think I'd have enough here for a few more days than 2. Shit, and I've got nowhere to put it. Man. Anyway, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Oh shit, I made too much. Anyway, see how it goes. Pasta sauce simmering away. So nice. It tastes absolutely beautiful, man. Oh man. I'm going to really enjoy my meal. I thought I got those that container as well. I'll fill that container up and put it in the fridge as well, and that way we'll have enough for 3 days instead of 2 days, but it's okay. I love this stuff, so can't go wrong. We'll just let it simmer for a little while. And she's ready to cook. Now I've got to cook the pasta. It's me cooking the pasta now. It doesn't look like a lot of pasta, but traditionally pasta grows considerably with water, so just hope that I put just enough. Okay.